Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane Michael and thank you guys for the new subscribers. My new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Basically in this video I'm going to talk about how to get rid of sunburn. Sunburn is a stubborn skincare issue, like a stubborn skincare problem. The last video I created regarding sunburn is one of the top viewing videos on my channel right now. I've seen a couple of comments regarding that, asking me how to use this product I mentioned in that video, right? So in that video I mentioned about how to clear your sunburn in a natural way, and also another method which I spoke about, getting some ingredients, getting some skincare products to get rid of sunburn. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step method of how to get rid of your sunburn in a natural way. Yes, in this video is going to be in a natural way this time around. So I have the product with me here, the product in which you can use to clear your sunburn. But mind you, are you using your sunscreen? Are you using your sunscreen? If you're having sunburn, at least for the meantime, like, use sunscreen so that at least that can also prevent more sunburn coming into your skin. So I spoke about reason of getting sunburn, like what are the cause of sunburn. If you have not watched down my previous video about how to get rid of your sunburn, I'm going to leave the video up here or up here so that you guys can watch. But basically the reason, what is the cause of sunburn? Sunburn can be caused if you are leaving your house without using your sunscreen. When leaving your house without using sunscreen, that means you are using a chemical ingredient that is so powerful to your skin, like so powerful to the extent that if the sunlight hits that skin, is going to cause you sunburn. And sunburn can be in any part of your face. It can be by the side, it can be here, it can be on your forehead, it can be by the side. The most common part that sunburn always is by the side here. Sunburn can be by the side here. I have sunburn, it's fading because of the process, because of the ingredient I'm using. So if you have sunburn here, if you have sunburn on your cheeks, I'm so sorry. So but in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of sunburn with these 3 ingredients. Yes, you heard me right, just 3 ingredient, natural ingredient. Guys, this is the first ingredient I mentioned. So I said in my other video, please watch that video before you watch this, please, so that please just watch that video. I mentioned getting a natural aloe vera gel. If you don't have the natural aloe vera gel, then you can get this. This is not a natural aloe vera gel, you know, this is just a skincare product. If you have the green aloe vera gel like this one, this is the snail gel, and there is aloe vera gel, and there is tomato. When it comes to this type of gel, there are a lot of different products, but if you have any of the 3, you are okay. So secondly, I talked about getting the natural oil. I mentioned it vividly in my previous video. Lastly, I mentioned getting a palm oil. Yes, it looks somehow, but yes, it works magic. Get yourself red palm oil. That is the 3 ingredients I mentioned. These are the ingredients I mentioned in that video. I mentioned red oil, I mentioned aloe vera gel, and I mentioned getting original honey. So these are the 3 ingredients. Somebody asking me, are you going to use it as a paste or something? Yes, you can use it, you mix together. So now I'm going to go down. Let's dive straight into the video. I have a small cup here. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to pour a small quantity. I don't know. Okay, yes, I'm going to pour just small quantity like this. Okay, like this, small quantity like this into the cup. Or let me just add little, but just a small quantity. This is okay. Then the honey, I'm going to just take a little content. Then I pour inside. Yeah. Then after that, I pour this. This is the gel. I'm going to pour the gel This is the gel, so I'm going to put the little content. You can see how the content is like a gel, because that sunscreen needs a moisturizing ingredient. So then you mix together. Person asking me if you are going to mix. Yes, you are going to mix it. You are going to mix it, babe. Mix it together. Mix it together, mix it together. Then I've washed my face already with my CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. I mean my cleanser. Then I'm going to, then you apply it on the affected area. This is where you put some. So guys, can you, I don't know if I should zoom it, but you can see. Okay, then you put it on the affected area. So I have sunburn here, I have it here, up here. You just apply it on the affected area. Just apply it on the affected area. I have sunburn here. This is the real place. I have sunburn, and that's all. That's all. That's all. Nothing special. Then give it time. Just wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, let's say 5 minutes max. Leave it on the face for maximum of 5 minutes. Just give it time to work. I'm going to wait for 3 to 5 minutes, then I'm going to pause the video now. So guys, I've waited for 5 minutes already, and I've washed off the red palm oil, the paste. Let me call it the paste. I've washed off the paste, including including red oil, original honey, and aloe vera gel, the 3 ingredients. Then after that, I'm done. I use my CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser to also wash it off. Then the next thing you need to do is apply your moisturizer. Properly apply your moisturizer. Sunburn needs moisturizing. You need to moisturize the part. Moisturize it. If you have a dry skin, get moisturizer. If you have a dry skin or oily skin, you need a moisturizer. It's for all skin types. So just apply the moisturizer at the affected area, and then you are good. Yeah, I use the Beauty Formula Brightening Vitamin C. You can get your hands on your moisturizer, the moisturizer you are using currently. I'm not saying you should get this. Use your moisturizer. You have a moisturizer you are using in your skincare routine, right? So use the moisturizer, but this is the moisturizer I'm using currently. You get it? I will not advise you to use it every day. Like, you can try to use it 4 times or 3 times in a week, consistently. You can't see results in a week. Just be consistent about it. Just be consistent. You are going to get the result. After being consistent, you get it. So, and I believe that you are going to get maximum result, because this is the ingredient, this is the method I've been using, and I've been seeing results. My sunburn are fading, yes, already. So guys, there you have it. If you have any question regarding this video, just drop it in the comment section. I'll be right there. Please just feel free to drop your question. I always get notification of my YouTube videos, so it's not something hard for me. If I just see YouTube notification of comment, I just pick my phone and respond. So feel free to drop your question regarding this topic in the comment section. I'll be right there. My name remains the same, Jane Michael. So if you are watching all my videos and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. I would like to see you guys in my next video. Bye.